your ODPs of the cities and towns are superimposed on the regional plan. Now, regional plan plans all areas equally on planning based statistics which are given here and the parameters. On that basis, the town planners who are qualified, they sit with the planning, and because they are qualified people to plan cities and towns, so they sit with the planning and they accomplish the target. But are they allowed to do that in Goa? No. There are cooks and builders who are politicians and vested interests who meddle with the town and country planners. They don't allow them to do the job, and they are like errand boys. If given a bag of grocery, they will go for shopping and bring groceries inside. They've lost their self-respect. They can't be called town planners anymore in Goa. We call them errand boys. This has to stop, because the regional plan has to take into account the land use at the present, the settlement areas, for population. What is the population growth? The regional plan is for 10 years. It has to be sealed after notification. You can't amend or alter the regional plan while it is in operation for 10 years. Parallel, you have to plan the next 10 years. It starts from the day this notification starts of that plan. Planning starts for the next regional plan, which will take established for the next 10 years. You do the planning now, concurrently. But you can't alter the actual regional plan.